Hey, want to know a fact about white holes? Well, first of all, I'm going to need you to subscribe because I'm about to blow your mind. Here we go. What if black holes had opposites? Like, what if instead of sucking stuff in, they spat it out? Now, before you say that's impossible, hear me out, because this isn't science fiction. This is science scary. White holes are only theoretical. We have never seen one, but physicists believe they should exist. Here's why. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, space and time are intertwined in a flexible fabric called space. And while that theory works really well for explaining how black holes work, it also predicts the existence of white holes, which are basically black holes in reverse. Like a black hole, a white hole would have an event horizon, a boundary in space from which nothing could escape. But while a black hole's event horizon is a point of no return, a white hole's event horizon would be a point of no origin. It would be a place where stuff just kind of appears. In fact, white holes are thought to only spit out matter. They don't suck anything in. So it's like a black hole that doesn't black hole. But here's the thing. White holes are just as theoretical as they are opposite. We have never seen one. So here's a quiz. Are white holes real? Or just theory? If you want to see more mind-blowing paradoxes of physics, subscribe because here's a hint. The answer is both. White holes are predicted by a mathematical model that we use to describe how the universe works. But that same model also predicts that time travel is possible. And we know that can't be real. Or can it? The more you know, the more you'll realize just how little you know. Which is why you should subscribe, because knowledge is power. And here's a fun fact. The first person to ever use the phrase white hole in print was physicist John Archibald Wheeler. He used it in a paper published in 1967, the same year that he also coined the term wormhole. So if white holes are like black holes that don't black hole, then wormholes are like tunnels that don't tunnel. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Here's another fun fact. Astronomers have discovered several dozen quasi-periodic pulsars, or QP, which are basically rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of light at regular intervals. Some astronomers believe these pulsars could actually be white holes, but that's just a theory. Because here's another fact. White holes could be gateways to other universes, or even other time periods. That's right. Some physicists believe that white holes could connect our universe with other universes or with the past or future of our own universe. So, if you ever see a white hole, be careful because they could be portals to other dimensions. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.